Okay, so the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 48 inches. So what that means is if I take this side and this side and this side, it equals 48. In fact, to get 48, I think it's 16 times 3, right? So let's check on our calculator. If I say 48 divided by 3, I should get 16. Yeah. So what that for the perimeter to equal 48, that means that this is 16, this is 16, 16. But the perimeter of the first triangle is 48 if you add those up. Then it says the midpoints. So the midpoints of the sides are joined to form another equilateral triangle. Well, if you remember from your geometry classes, this is A, this is A, this is A. So my second perimeter is actually 1/2 of my initial perimeter. And then it says this pattern is repeated. So then this would be 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? And that would be 1/2 of that, which is 12. And then 2 plus 2 plus 2. Whoops. So if I think about all the perimeters of these triangles, I have a geometric sequence. So to get from here to here, I multiply by 1/2. To get from here to here, I multiply by 1/2. And to get from here to here, I multiply by 1/2. So then the question is, use the geometric series to model the perimeters of all 4 triangles. So basically, we're just going to add all these up. So to find the perimeter of this, I am just going to say 48 plus 24 plus 12 plus 6, which is 90. So the sum of all of the perimeters is 90. And that's it.